Hi y'all, it is Regina from Marsh Knitting 101. Welcome in my yarny and crafty friends. Welcome in my new family members and returning family members. Hopefully everyone is having a fantastic day. Technically today is Monday, so I'm recording this in a couple days. I don't know when you'll see this, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, next month, next year. So yeah, so happy Monday and happy future day, whatever day it is. And if you're watching this, and it's not August the 14th, please go check out my channel. I am doing a cotton yarn giveaway. It's only open up to the US. Sorry, my international friends. So what is everyone currently working on? Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm trying to get back into doing videos. I have 2 videos I want to do of unboxing. So I'm going to start with my first one, because last week was my birthday, July 25th. So we were busy. It was a busy week for us. July's been busy. We went berry picking, helping people move, visiting with family. So busy and canning and all that fun stuff. So yeah. So I am yapping on. I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet and simple. So this is one of my boxes that I ordered from the Goodwill. And I've already opened this because I was like, oh, I gotta see what's in here. I got these all last week, so it was kind of busy for us, like I said. And like usually I've been getting some really nice bids on at the Goodwill. If it's like shop Goodwill, and it's like eBay almost. If you don't know what it is, you go on and you bid on things. There's everything you can think of, from dishes to antiques. Because I've been keeping an eye out for a few cute little teacups, like a teacup set and stuff, like fine china. Not like I'll ever use it, but it'd just be cute to put in my hutch. So that's another thing I've been working on. Okay, less talking. Let's see what's inside the box. I'm using my computer, so I can't take you on a yarn surf. But let's see. Here we go. We got 2 of wands. Hue and Me Chunky Wool Blend. I've heard of it, but I've never tried this kind of yarn from Lion brand. It is a bulky 4.4 ounces, 125 grams. It's 137 yards, 125 meters. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So, machine washable and dryable. That's always good. And this is called Jupiter. And it's like a green. It's like a gray green. So I got one of these. Got 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I think I only got 5 of them. So that's like practically almost enough to make a sweater, or a lot of cute little matching, like a hat and a scarf and mittens would be cute. So I got 5 of them, and then another Lion brand yarns. It's Vanity's Choice. 1 of these can make a hat, 3 make a scarf, and 9 make a shirt, and 6 to 14 can make you a little throw. They are 3 ounces, 85 grams. It's a 4 medium, 145 yards, 133 meters. It's 92% cotton, 8% rayon. I can't say that word, apologize. And this color is Bailey. And it's like a really pretty brown. Like I said, the lighting in my house is not the greatest sometimes. So maybe I can shade it. But there's that. So I got 1 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these. That's awesome. 6 of them. Alright, moving on. I got a Peyton's decor. It is a 4 medium, rich country blue. This is really pretty blue. And it is approximately 190 meters, 208 yards. It's 75% acrylic, 25% wool, and it's made in Turkey. So it's very, very pretty blue. So I got one of them. And then I got 2 of the Brantley soft and chunky, and this color is black. I just think of like Halloween, like a fluffy, like I'm trying to make a witch, but it's a bulky, so I was thinking maybe a witch hat. That'd be cute, right? Witch hat. Wait, and then I have, is this the same color as that? So I have 6 of these. And then I got a Woolies Quick and Thick. I love like the Woolies. Like Lion Brand is like, I think it's just because this is the first yarn I really started out with in Red Heart. But I always try to look for the bulky weight because I want to start making hats and designing my own hat. That's in the future. I keep saying that, I know. Patron Blue or Parrot Blue. So it's a dark blue. And these are, hold on 1 minute. Sorry for that. My dog is barking at the trash can. Sorry guys, you're just gonna have to listen to him bark since it's not listening. So this is it's a 6 bulky, 6 ounces, 170 grams, 106 yards. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and it's a pretty blue. It's a dark blue. And then I got a Peyton's Shetland Chunky Tweeds. This is a 5 bulky, which kind of looks like a 3 to, not a 3, but like a, like not very 5 bulkish. But I guess each weight is different. Each yarn has its own. It's 75% acrylic, 25% wool, and 3% viscose. And this color is called Toasted Tweed. Toasted Tweed. It's got the little speckles in it. That's really pretty. And a couple months ago, I bought some tweed gray that almost looks like this. Not the same brand. Would go good with this. I got that off the Whatnot app from the Spinning Hand. And then I got another Woolies Thick and Quick super bulky 6 is 82% acrylic, 10% wool, 8 rayon, and it is made in Turkey, machine wash and dryable. This color is Bailey. So do I have 2 of them? Oh no, these are Bailey. Totally different colors, but the same name. So it's a Lion Brand. I really like. Someone got a good deal. They had like 25 of these, and they went for like $40. Cause these are like $7, $9. So then there's that, and then I got the Brantley revolving. Sorry, I cannot talk. It is a 5 bulky, and it's called Plum. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It's 120 yards, 109 meters. And it's a very pretty purple if you're into the purples. And then I got another Woolies Quick and Thick. And this one color, I love this color. This is really pretty. And I'm just going to show you the name. It's very pretty. And then this is another Hue Me 2 of 1. Has anyone tried this yarn from Lion Brand? And it's really pretty. This is called Love Song. I wonder if this is like tribute to Taylor Swift. It's like a peachy pink rose color. Ooh, I like this one too. This is Hometown. It's 64 ounces. It's a 6 bulky. It's a 94 acrylics, 6% rowing, and takes 2 of these to make a hat. What I like to do is, like, I try to get, like, now with that black, even though it's not, we could probably make this like half of the brim and then do the rest in black. That'd be kind of cute. 80s looking hat. And then this is beautiful. This is Red Heart color scape. Look at them colors. Isn't that beautiful? I only got one of these, but these would be cute. This is it's a 4 medium. I like how it says buy enough of the same dialogue. 100% acrylic, and this color is Paris. Isn't that pretty? I like that. So there's that. And another Lion brand. Oh, I know they're all rolling away. And this is Toasted Almond. And this is this Thick and Woolies. See, that would almost, but that's a 6, isn't it? Yeah, this is a bulky 6. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So these are really nice. I'm getting avalanched. And then I got the Gang collection, Woolly and the Gang. Isn't this so pretty? And this is called Deep Maroon. It's 89% acrylic, 11% polymade. It is 100 grams, 3.53 ounces, 87 yards, 80 meters. So I've never tried this, so this is kind of cute. It's kind of like this real bulky, fluffy stuff. Soft. So then I got one of them, and then I'm assuming this is probably one of them too, and it's like a gray. Because I feel like it hasn't been used. I feel like it's about the same amount. I need to get a baggery for my scale so I can just weigh it out and see if it's the right. And then I got, these are used, but there's a golden color, a cream color, and a pink color. These are so soft. See, this is what makes me want to learn to crochet, because I like see everybody's little animals they make with this stuff, the little fuzzy things, like the unicorns and the dinosaurs. This is what I think when I see this. So maybe one day. And then I got this. I'm not sure what it is, but to me it's almost like a sock yarn, and it's really pretty. It's like blues and greens. So I got that. And then the label is falling off this one. And this is soft baby cotton, and the color is Aqua Mist. So it's like a sea green, a blue color. And then I got this, some scrubby, and it's orange. And I think of little pumpkins. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to start on. I have this symphony. I'll explain maybe after I get at least my one project done to see about a make-along. So I'm just throwing this out there. I'll probably totally forget. So someone will have to be like, hey, Regina, was you going to do a make-along? So thinking about a make-along. I'm going to run it with someone else to see what they think. If they don't have any more, if they don't have anything for the future for, we'll say, September. So keep an eye out for that. Maybe involves, I forget what this was called. Scrubby yarn. So there is that order from the Goodwill. So I'm not going to count them. So let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 brand new skeins of yarn, plus, and then 3 of the bulky and 1 of the mysterious yarn. So yeah, I ordered that from Goodwill. I'm gonna check real quick because I can't remember how much I paid for it. So let me go real quick. I forgot to pull this up. I want to say this one was 40, but don't quote me. It might have been. I might have got this for 27. Well, I got another one that I got to show, and I think I'm getting confused with that one because this one was my first order from my first bid from last week. My phone's being slow, so sorry. So hopefully y'all enjoyed all that amazing, wonderful yarn. I mean, like, I wouldn't be able to buy this in the store for as much as I paid for it, hopefully. Oh no, they're working on it. Hold on, I gotta go somewhere else. Wait, I knew where to go. Sorry. Sometimes their maintenance being the web page, and sometimes you can't go on, which is good because sometimes we don't need to buy stuff. Alright, enough of me talking, right? Have any of you ordered from off the Goodwill website? I mean, I go into our local Goodwill, but most of it's like the little, like, half a yarn, half a skein. Alright, let's see. 1021. I don't think I have it. I might have deleted it. But anyways, I got one for exactly $100, which I think was this order. I think I got this for 40. Was it $40? It was $47. So $48 plus, I think it was $20 for shipping and handling. Now I feel bad because I don't know. But anyway, it was a good deal. To me, I think it was. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Until next time, have a wonderful and blessed day. If you liked my video, please share me out. Give me a thumbs up. And join my family if you like to see more, if you like what you see. I do some knitting. I promise I do knit. And I'm working on trying to practice crochet. It's been hectic, and I'm hoping that we'll say September I get back to my normal broadcasting and stuff. So hopefully, until next time, like I said, rock yarn and have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all. Thanks for stopping by.